Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a pneumatic rivet gun. It came with all this stuff here. I'll show you. It came with a, well, it didn't come with the air tank, but it has the little air, I guess, regulation tank on there. Got the little trigger, and the rivet will go in there. Came with a few different tips, so you can have different size rivets if you have the ones that are really big. I have a really small, little tiny hole in here because I have a small rivet. It came with extras of the little metal pieces that are behind the tip inside of there if you ever need to replace those if for some reason they come shooting out or something. But the idea is here we'll hook up the air to it, so now we have air and we can do some riveting. And the way it will work is you put your rivet in there, and then as you pull the trigger it sucks it in, if you haven't used a rivet before, this little black thing will get squished up into whatever you need to connect together. So like here, I have a couple of electric boxes, and if I wanted to put them back to back, I would have like one rivet going through one hole here, another one through another there. You see like that. So that's gonna do that, and then I would put my rivet gun over that. If I can see it. I think it's the hardest part. Okay. You're not gonna do it in the air. Okay, up there. So line up the holes, and then as we push, oh wow, all in one pull, it pulled it out. Obviously they're stuck together now. It put the little black rivet in there, you see, it squished the other end and pulled the pin out. So now we have a successfully riveted little box in a single pull. That is great. If you've ever used those trigger rivet guns before, you know, you kind of, the ones that aren't pneumatic, you'll pull until it finally breaks. This does it in one shot, so this is great. So if you need a pneumatic rivet gun, I would say pick up one of these. These are great.